welcome to the channel. I am Brian. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. I am back. I was out of commission for almost 2 weeks. I had a stomach flu that about killed me. I mean, it was terrible. I'm not going to go into detail. But nonetheless, I'm back. I've got a piece today. I actually painted this right before I got sick, but I didn't have time to do any editing or put it up. So first of all, I want to say thank you so much for having me back. And also, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. And for Mother's Day, I am letting you guys know that my website with all my paintings on there that's up so far, I am having a Mother's Day sale. You can get the paintings there for 35% off. Anything that you see there, 35% off. It will hopefully be up and loaded with the 35% off, but if it's not, just send me an email. We'll get that taken care of. Don't forget to head over to studio15acrylics.com. All right, everyone, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got today is an 18-inch MDF round that I got from Michaels. It came in a 2-pack, and the 2-pack was like, I think $17.99, but you can also buy them in bulk. You can get 8 2-packs for like 95 bucks. So you're basically spending $11 versus $17 for a 2-pack. So I'm definitely gonna go back and get more of these because these are really, really nice in size. You can do some blooms, but today I am going to be doing a disrupted open cup pour. Disrupted open cup pour is what I'm going to be teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas. I am using recycled colors, and when I say recycled colors, I did a painting on Sunday of a Dutch pour in a vine flower, and so I want to do the same colors in the disrupted open cup pour. So my colors today is Pyrolle Orange, Azo Orange, Titanium White, and Azo Lemon Yellow. My base coat is going to be black from Artist Loft Soft Body. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to put a base coat down. So the first thing I want to do is I am going to pour a little extra right here in the center. Take our cup, put it down, put a little bit of paint around the edge, just kind of helps seal the cup. And that'll help for those paints to push through. All right, so I'm pouring up from high. I'm going to start with my red. My orange. White. Yellow. Paint is starting to come out. Fantastic. See, a few air bubbles are coming up, so I'm just going to give it a torch. Torching will also kind of bring some of the color up to the top as well. Lift. Kind of just bring this over just a little bit. Do one more set of colors. Red, orange, white, and yellow. Now I'm gonna disrupt. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it back through here and back over. So I'm just gonna twist around this side. Torch. Now I'm going to look and evaluate, what do I like, what do I dislike? So I definitely don't like what's happening on the end where that was started the twist and kind of over here. So I'm going to attempt to keep negative space. We'll see how the tilt goes. Got a lot of paint on here, so a lot of paint's going to need to come off. Totally okay. As I've said in past videos, paint gets scraped off my plastic, goes back into a jug and gets reused. Let's pick her up. Let's move some of this composition this way. Come back. Just using the weight of the paint. This way. Okay, definitely gonna need more paint to come off, but I like what I'm seeing. Let's go that way. Woohoo! Like that. I think we got a winner, folks. Here we go. Now what I need to do is clean up the sides and edges. Because it's a round canvas, a round MDF board, I need to fix where I put my fingers with the black. So I'm gonna take some of this black, get the sides, give this a torch. Love this composition going straight across. It's very, of course, it's in a circle, so it looks like a planet surface. I'm in love with it. Red, orange, yellow, perfect. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. Look at that. That is really, really cool. I'm loving this so, so much. Let me bring you in here up close. All right, let's see how this one dries. I'll be back.
All right, here we are with the dried result. It dried really, really well. Now I have to decide, do I want to leave this as a hang-alone painting? Do I want to turn it into a clock? But I'm not sure. Hope you're not getting a reflection from the sun. It is so bright. It's gonna be 75 today. Very happy, but look at how this dried. Very nice.
All right, everyone, that is the piece. Looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. Put some resin on that. I'm still trying to decide, do I want to do a clock? Do I just want to leave it as a standalone piece? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, head over to my Studio15acrylics.com website. Get 35% off on all paintings. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd.